Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Some examples by using the properties of circles and also properties of tangents to the circles. So first example is prove that in two concentric circles the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle is bisected at the point of contact. So first, what do you mean by concentric circles? Two circles having common center are known as concentric circles. So here I have taken two circles. C1 is the larger circle and C2 is the smaller circle. So they are having with common center O. So we have to prove that the chord of the larger circle. So AB is a chord of the larger circle and also AB is the tangent of the smaller circle at point P. So we have to prove OP bisect AB. So what is given? C1 and C2 are two concentric circles having center O, and AB is the chord of first C1 and AB is the tangent to the circle C2. Then to prove OP bisect AB. So this implies AP is equal to PB. Then construction. Then join OP. I have joined here, join OP. Then prove. In our first theorem, we proved that the angle between the tangent and the radius at the point of contact is 90 degree. So first, AB is the tangent to the circle C2. So this implies OP is perpendicular to AB. So here because the tangent is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Again, AB is a chord of C1 and OP is perpendicular to AB. We proved a theorem in class 9 that if the line segment drawn from the center that is perpendicular to a chord, that will bisect the chord. So by this theorem, so this implies OP bisect AB. By the theorem, the perpendicular drawn from the center to a chord bisect the chord. So this is proved. So this implies AP is equal to PB. So this is proved. By this theorem it is proved. Next example. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is equal to twice of angle OPQ. Here, this is a circle having center O. T is a point outside the circle and TP and TQ are two tangents to the circle at point P and Q. So given TP and TQ are two tangents to a circle having center O at point T. To prove, so PQ is a chord. To prove angle PTQ is twice of angle OPQ, then prove. So here in the triangle PTQ, TP is equal to TQ. In triangle PTQ, TP is equal to TQ. We have proved in our theorem that TP is equal to TQ. So tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So this implies these two angles are equal. Angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP. Let these angles are X. For easy calculation, we make them as X. So angle TPQ, so what is angle PTQ? So according to angle sum property of triangle, PTQ is equal to 180 degree minus 2x. Angle sum property of a triangle. So angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree minus 2x. Then what is OPQ? So OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus x. Why? Because angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. The angle between tangents and radius is 90 degree. So angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus x. So this is equal to half of 180 degree minus 2x. So this is equal to half 180 degree minus 2x is equal to angle PTQ. So angle PTQ. So this implies angle PTQ is equal to twice of angle OPQ. So this is proved. Next example, PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm. Two tangents at P and Q intersect at point T. Find the length TP. So here this is a circle having center O. PQ is a chord having length 8 cm and radius is 5 cm. We have to find the length of TP. So it is given that PQ is equal to 8 cm and OP is equal to 5 cm. We have to find TP. So solution. So join TO. So already I have joined TO. So in triangle PTQ, PTQ is a triangle. So here we know that TP is equal to TQ. Because the tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle having length equal. So TP is equal to TQ. So this implies triangle PTQ is isosceles. So TO is the angle bisector of angle PTQ, and TO is also perpendicular to PQ. Perpendicular bisector, and TO is the bisector of PQ. So PQ is 8 cm So this implies PR is equal to RQ is equal to 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. So in triangle PRQ, angle PRQ is 90 degree because TO is perpendicular to PQ. So this is 90 degree. So in right triangle PRO, we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find OR. So OR is equal to square root of 5 square minus 4 square. So this is equal to 3 centimeter. Our OR is equal to 3 centimeter. So now compare two triangles. So here let us consider what is the relationship between these two angles. So in triangle PRT, angle PTR plus angle TPR is equal to 90 degree. Because one angle is 90 degree and the sum of other two angles is 90 degree. And this is TPO. This is also angle T. So let this is our equation 1. So angle TPO is equal to 90 degree. That is angle between tangent and radius. So TPO, we can split this as angle TPR plus RPO. So this implies angle TPR plus angle RPO is equal to 90 degree. So this is our finding 2. So now we can compare these two. From 1 and 2, we can compare. So angle PTR is equal to angle RPR. So this is our finding 3. PTR, RPR. So PTR is equal to RPO. This angle. These two angles are equal. So now we will compare. So let this is. We can compare in triangle TRP and angle triangle PRO. Both are right triangles having angle TRP is equal to angle PRO is equal to 90 degree, and here we have proved angle PTR is equal to angle RPO. So this implies triangle TRP is similar to triangle PRO by angle similarity. So if the two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in equal ratio. So this implies, so what are the sides? So TP is the hypotenuse of the triangle TRP. So TP by OP is equal to PR by RO. So this implies TP OP is equal to 5 is equal to 4 by 3. So this implies TP is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. So here we have to find TP. So TP is equal to 20 by 3 centimeter. So in this way we can use the properties of circles as well as properties of tangents to solve some problems.